The 2025 Toyota RAV4 features a centralized power locking system. You can lock all doors and the rear liftgate simultaneously from the inside using the power lock button located on the driver's door panel. Many trims also have Toyota's smart key system for passive locking when you walk away with the key fob. The power lock button is generally found on the driver's side door panel. Look for a button with an icon of a lock. Pressing this button will lock all doors. The button may be illuminated for easy visibility at night. To lock all doors in the 2025 Toyota RAV4, locate the power lock button on the driver's door panel. Press the power lock button once to lock all doors simultaneously. You should hear an audible confirmation sound indicating the doors are locked. Always ensure all doors are securely closed before locking to prevent any issues. Many 2025 RAV4 trims include Toyota's smart key system. With this system, the doors can automatically lock when you exit the vehicle and walk away with the key fob. The auto lock feature can be customized in the vehicle settings or through the Toyota app. Higher trims of the 2025 RAV4, equipped with Toyota Connected Services, allow you to lock the doors via the touchscreen infotainment system. Navigate to the vehicle settings or security section to find the door lock controls. In case of an emergency, all doors can be unlocked from the inside using the interior door handles, even when the doors are locked. Toyota's emergency release levers allow easy opening from inside. Familiarize yourself with the location of these levers. After locking, verify that all doors are securely locked. The 2025 RAV4 also includes child safety locks on the rear doors. These locks prevent the rear doors from being opened from the inside. Ensure these are appropriately set for child safety. If the power locks are not functioning correctly, start by checking the vehicle's battery for corrosion or low charge that could prevent the electrical system from operating properly. Next, inspect the fuses in the fuse box for any that may be blown, as this can interrupt power to the locking system. If the problem continues, consult your Toyota dealer for professional diagnosis and repair. Regular software updates improve the responsiveness of the locking system and fix potential glitches. Utilize the Toyota app for convenient remote locking and monitoring of your vehicle's security status.